Hello, today we will guide you through how to resize images in Squarespace. Resizing images is a quick way to fine-tune your page layout, improve visual balance, and help images load faster. We'll start right from the Squarespace home menu and walk through making a simple size change on an image, then saving your work. First, open Squarespace and select your website by clicking its title on the home screen. This takes you into your site's workspace so you can make edits where they'll appear on your live pages. Next, choose Website from the left side menu. This opens the main editing area for your site. From here, click Pages to see the list of pages on your site. Pick the page that contains the image you want to resize. When the page preview opens, click Edit. You'll know you're in edit mode when the page shows on-canvas controls and the top toolbar changes to include editing options. Now click directly on the image you want to resize. You should see a highlight and small square handles appear around the image. These are the resize controls. Hover over a handle until your cursor changes, then click and drag. Dragging a corner handle keeps the image's proportions consistent, which prevents distortion. Dragging a side handle adjusts width or height individually, which can change the aspect ratio. Use that if you intentionally want a different shape. Move slowly, watch the layout around the image, and use the grid guides to keep spacing clean. As you resize, keep image quality in mind. Scaling an image too large can make it look soft or pixelated, while shrinking it too small can make important details hard to see. If you're aiming for a neat layout, try aligning the image width with nearby text columns or neighboring blocks. If the image is part of a gallery or section that has its own layout rules, small changes may affect how surrounding items wrap. That's normal. Just fine-tune until it looks right. If you don't see the resize handles, confirm you're still in edit mode and that you clicked an image block rather than a section background. Background images use different controls and won't show the small square handles on the image itself. When you're happy with the new size, click Save at the top left. This publishes the change to your site. After saving, take a quick look at the page to make sure the image still looks good alongside your text and other elements. That's it. Your image is resized and ready to go.